These are dummy rounds, yeah.
And you see how much rounds are in the mag still. Then you see the hammer position.
Yep, the red dot right there, so striker status indicator.
And it's very smooth also here, the slide is absolutely smooth. Then you see the temperature of the gun or the temperature of the barrel. So if it's overheating while shooting, then the total shots fired, how much shots you've made on lifetime. This also works without battery or with empty battery.